Hey, what's up guys? Tyler Caton, aka I Go Welding here with EDGE Welding Cups, and today we're going to be going over two of my favorite cups to use and why I like to use them. Let's get into it. So first off, I weld a lot of different materials in the shop. One of my favorite things to weld is aluminum, and as you can see here, I'm using the GL6Q. It is by far the best cup I've ever used for welding aluminum. It's made out of quartz, so it can handle high amperages, it can handle the AC frequency, and what I really love, even with a smaller cup, I'm able to see really well because with that glass cup, it lights up like a flashlight and just illuminates everything and just gives you overall better visibility. Now, I know there's a lot of debate around the topic of, a gas lens versus a collet body. When you weld aluminum, there's pluses and minuses to both. Some guys strictly go collet body and say gas lens is cheating. If you're using different types of gas, sometimes the gas lens works a lot better. It really depends what you want to do and what's comfortable for you. I like using both. And with the GL6Q, there's also the GL6Q CB version, which is the collet body version. Has a different adapter. It's slightly skinnier, so I like using that to get in like a little bit tighter spaces. Alright, so if you need all of the gas coverage, my favorite cup for doing any kind of steels where it's more open and out in the air, where I want a little more gas coverage to not get carbon so gray, or if I'm doing stainless and I want to keep that oxide layer from building up. I know sometimes stainless colors are pretty, but sometimes you don't want it to brush everything out, or if you're doing sanitary work of any kind, you don't want an oxide layer build up because it is contamination. The GL15 Shorty is my go-to cup in the shop for that. There's also the regular GL15. It's slightly larger. I prefer the Shorty, but I do have both and use both. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. If you want to hit that like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you get the notifications to pop up, highlight that bell. If you want to see any of these other cups used in any of the applications, go ahead and comment down below or hit us up on any other socials and we can get out some content for you guys. Until next time.